PJ, thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
We wanted to bring you in today and talk about the fixed cost model and how that benefits our clients.
Yeah, so obviously as a contract packager, fixed cost is a core of who we are and what we do and the service that we provide. Essentially, if a food company out there is producing their own product, right, that's what we call variable costs, right? So depending on the efficiency of their production line, their people, and a lot of other factors, on a daily basis or per shift basis, their cost could be $1 per case. It could be 70 cents per case. It could also be $2 a case, right? Depending on all the efficiencies of how their operation is operating on that given shift and that given day. When you come to Econo-Pak, a majority of how we manage is you get one price. We lock that price for 12 months, and that's your price, right? So your price is then fixed for the year. So I gave the example of like $1 a case. So if we price you at $1 a case, it's $1 a case every day. Then it becomes up to us to be able to figure out, all right, or to manage our efficiencies. So we have to be very efficient to make sure that we can make money and be profitable off that dollar. So we do everything we can to make sure that our lines and people are running efficiently. But our clients get the benefit that it's $1 every single day, every shift, first, second, and third shift, and we're able to continue on that for 12 months. Where again, if they're running it, their cost model is all over the place. So fixed cost is great because obviously if you sell it for $2 and the cost from Econo-Pak is $1, your profit margins are much more consistent rather than the variable model when you make it yourself. So we've seen a lot of benefits to that over the years with a lot of different clients and products that we make.
Yeah, so high-level executives can make better decisions. They can make better decisions on what they want to do from a budget perspective and how they want to work within their own business. Having that model makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, it makes it a lot more predictable. Exactly.
Yeah.
So again, we lock that in for 12 months, and based on what their margins are, they can pretty much guarantee that margin will stay in place. Again, we don't control, and oftentimes the material pricing, but at least the labor part of which is a big part of it is locked for a year. And the margin expectation is there consistently, which is a great thing.
That's great. And I know we have a really strategic attainment schedule that we work on with our clients too, guaranteeing, somewhat of a weekly, we have our weekly and then our 13-week kind of rolling forecast to plan. So I could see how that could become very critical, having a fixed cost model and having kind of a guaranteed output based on that we can help them and control.
Yeah, we're tracking everything very, very tightly, making sure that most of our schedules are based on per week outputs. So we make sure that we have our 3 shifts that we can run 5 days a week. We make sure that we are hitting that number. If for whatever reason we are not, we will run overtime on the weekends to make sure that we hit that weekly number and ensure that the shelves and the warehouses are full of our customers' products so that they can sell and not be short in stock.
Yeah. If you don't mind me asking, what led you to kind of building a business around a model like that?
It's really what clients are looking for, right? They want to be able to know that if they go to a great packaging company and their sales and marketing team are doing a great job, that there's other avenues for people to be able to get their products made at a fixed cost, efficiently, with obviously high quality. And so over the years, where we started as a packaging company, we're now a contract food packaging company. We saw great demand there with all such the food industry growing, and it's been a great avenue for us and a great model.
Yeah, that's great. Well, thank you for joining me today, PJ. We appreciate your time.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.